Today I want to answer a question that I get asked a lot by beginner metalsmiths, which is how do I choose the right saw blade size for my jewelry making project? The reason this is so confusing is because the scale that we have in metalsmithing for saw blades, it's not really a number system that makes sense to the average person. The smallest size is noted by a number called 6/0, and the largest size is 6 at a whole number, and 0 is actually the center line. So the 6/0 saw blade is going to be the smallest, thinnest saw blade with the most teeth. And the larger saw blade is going to be the whole number 6, and it's going to have the fewer teeth. If you want to think about it like this visually, you'll want approximately 3 teeth per thickness of the sheet that you're sawing. But that's kind of hard to determine just from sight. So I'm going to put a chart up here that is going to help you determine which saw blade size you should get from your jewelry store depending on the gauge of your metal sheet that you're sawing. As always, I encourage you guys to shop local, but I'm going to go ahead and link here a couple places where you can buy saw blades online.